spring garden cannot be complete without little violas. And I always seem to err on the side of violas, which are the cousins, the smaller cousins of the larger pansies. For me in the garden, they just do better. And if I deadhead them regularly and feed them with the liquid plant food, they go on sometimes until January, February. Next up, dianthus. And this is a range called Sheba. Sheba are fantastic. Why? They're short. They only get about this tall, maximum 30 centimeters. You can pop them in anywhere. You can buy them in full flower, put them into those meadow, soft flowing beds that you're looking for. Put them in your veggie garden because they are also edible. Yes, they are edible. This one is called lilac picotee. Why is it called picotee? And what does picotee mean? Interesting point. Anything with picotee means it's got a white edge. A white edge. Pop them in, and of course, finally, the star of the show of any spring garden are always little primulas. Primula malacoides white. In white, lavender, and dark pink.